Guys, I'm going to show you guys how to take these tail lights out of the Outback as well. This is a 15, so make a video. I'll take this guy out first, then we'll do one making that side, that guy out, and then I know you guys want to see a bumper. Get a couple guys asking for bumpers, so I'm gonna show you guys how to take the bumper off as well. So I've never taken one of these off, but I'm assuming if it's just like any other Subaru, there's a little 8 right here. A screw. Take that out. And this thing is just, looks like it's just held on by clips. Yeah, you got 2 little clips right here. Pull that on right there. Pull that off. And then looks like there's 2 number 8s right here. So drop the 8. One there. One there. This guy right here comes off. It's just held on by clips. Then you got one more right here, also held on by clips. There's one screw right here, it's plastic. Same thing over here. Come on, man. There he goes. Got one more right here. Then, oh, this handle right here. If you guys notice, there's a little spot right here. Pull this guy out. These 2 screws. One here. One here. And then this thing should, look at that, came down like it was nothing. It's just held on by these guys. Now, the reason why we take all that off is there's another 8 right here for the tail light. Oh. Fell in the lid, but it is there. So to take this piece off, just continue to take more bolts off. It's got a lot more of these number 8s. You got one here. You got one here. There's a couple here. We got one there. One here. Whoa, there goes that bolt. That's the taillight bolt. Looks like we got all the bolts out. Let's see if, oh, I gotta get this side out too. That means we gotta take this guy out over here, and then get this thing out of the way. Some more taillight bolts here for the left side taillight. Okay. Now let's hope we don't break this back panel coming off. I'm gonna lower this thing down. Look at that. No more 8 over here. See this taillight? It's literally just behind this thing. And if you sneak it out, there's this clip up here. But look at that. So this thing, it goes underneath it, and this is what's holding it tough. Man, what a pain in the ass to get the taillight out. I mean, if you could, you know, get behind here and sneak the taillight out like I did, great. We've taken this thing almost all the way apart, so I'm just gonna go ahead and there's one more clip over here. Remove that. Let's see. These clips, I didn't want to break any of this stuff. So, and you're gonna go ahead and unplug it from the inside. From the inside, which is right here. There's a plug. This little guy that locks and unlocks this guy. And then this comes off. I didn't realize that we need to take this off to get to the taillights. It's a little bit more work. So, you guys are gonna have to watch both these videos on take this guy off, then to get a taillight, or else you're gonna break this. Do not break this. I'm assuming this is expensive and it's painted, so if you break this or crack it, like on the older Foresters, if you can't get to these clips in the right spot, give enough pressure. I've snapped one before, so be very careful. Or bring it into us so we can do it too. Since we got all that out, the taillight is now going to be really easy on this side, is because there's 1/8. I got the 8s out, so realistically this needs to be just popped out just like that. So that's how you take the taillights off the lid. If you guys break them, it's gonna be a little bit of work, but it's better than paying somebody. We'll go on to the next item. That was a lot of work for that taillight.